Hi friends, welcome back to Soma's Makeup Diary. Ready for a colorful look? I'm always ready, and today's palette is going to be Violet Voss Rainbow Palette. The colors, my friends, are they calling you? They are calling me. Let me get started with that's right, I'm getting started with this charcoal black because I really want something like this. Like what? You will get to know. Excited to try something new today. Blending it with my base shadow brush. These shadows are super pigmented and a little bit goes a long way. So be playful and be gentle. Just a little bit of blending right there. Okay, and now we will go for something nice, interesting on the lid. Indigo. Just right here. Colors are super pigmented, so little bit dabbing works. Look at that. There is something special about these shadows, you know. They have a reflective kind of element to it. Look at that. And now, my friends, I really want to show you the final look. Trying it for the first time on camera, but I kind of know what I am actually going to create. Flat brush, dipping into charcoal black. And yes, today the inner corners of my eyes will be dark too. Yes, love it. This deep, dark, purpley, smoky look. Okay, contour brush. Nothing on my brush, just a little blending here. I'm being very pinpointed here, my friends, because these colors are very pigmented and I just do not want to go overboard. Who is up for this look? Are you in a mood to be a little experimental with the colors today? If you are, give it a try. Yeah, a little bit of more indigo. Dab it gently. It's like a gentle touch on the eyelids. I told you I was going to try something fun on Friday. Pretty playful. And now I'm going to add a little bit of this peach. I do not want this peach to be very saturated on my lids. That's why I'm using this flat brush. Just, you know, the sprinkle effect here. Just a little bit of it. A little bit overlap, a little bit of that reflective kind of peachy effect, but not too much because I really want the indigo to shine today. So all over my lid and little bit what is remaining can go here and there, this side and this side. I do not waste colors. I just love to play and make use of my colors. Okay, that peachy kind of touch. And now Buttercup. Yeah, that's the name of the shade. It is a nice golden yellow, and I'm really using my little finger to give it on like this. It's like barely touching the lid, but also want that golden punch. Just a bit of it. Just a bit of it, okay? Trying something new, my friends, it's always fun. Can I do with this finger? I don't know. So let me try with my left hand finger, okay? Trying something different, it's always fun for me. And now I'm going to get started with my liner work, but there is more. to this look. So you can get started with your color palettes, yeah? Or just wait for me, I'll be right back. Feels great, I know. How does it look to you? Pretty nice, isn't it? Dramatic, I just love it. And now the last step with that indigo. My friends, I am in love with the shades and the shadow quality of Violet Voss. Yeah, I think I should try a couple of more from this line as well. Yeah, you will be updated, don't worry about it. Okay, and with the flat shadow brush, I'm just dabbing it because that is a gorgeous shade. Very gently, very gently, just a bit of padding of that indigo going on my lower lash line as well. Let me use my sponge tip. This is actually my CoverGirl sponge tip, but I'm making use of it here because I really want a very nice pinpointed indigo effect on my lower lash line. You know, I think I'm going to try a couple of more looks with this method. You know, the deep dark inner corner and the outer corner. Yeah, I'm loving it. So in my future series, you will get to see many more different styles and many more different application methods that work for me. It may work for you too. That's it, my friends. Little bit of mascara on my lower lash line because of that shadow effect, and I'm going to rock this look. Pretty Friday look. There you go. Yeah, I hope you like this look. Yeah, and I really hope you try this look. Pretty dramatic and intense. I just love it. Thank you for watching, thank you for subscribing, and thank you for connecting with Soma's Makeup Diary. See you soon. Many more videos are coming up on my channel, so stay tuned. Okay, see you on Monday with Viseart Libertine series. Bye.